So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is if.EAGER function in Power BI DAX. So if.EAGER function checks a condition and returns one value when it is true, otherwise it returns the second value. It uses an EAGER execution plan which always executes the branch expressions regardless of the condition expression. In order to understand this in more detail, let's take an example. First, I will go to Power BI desktop. And over here for this tutorial, again, I'll be working with this online retail dataset. We have mainly four options: order date, category, profit, and sales. Now let's say we want to create a new column as sales group in which all the values which are less than 300 will be classified into low category and rest will be classified into high category. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, go to your table tools. Over here we have an option known as new column. So just select this. Let's give it a name as sales group is equal to, and this time I will be working with if.agar function. Over here the first parameter is logical test. So I need to check whether my sales value is less than 300. If it is less than 300, then I need to classify them as low, otherwise high, and just hit enter. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a new column as sales group where all the values which are less than 300, they are classified into low category, and all the values which are greater than 300 are classified into high category. So in this way, we can make use of if.EAGER function in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.